Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on your Subaru Crosstrek. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. It's crucial to have the correct sizes. Typically, the driver's side uses a 26-inch blade and the passenger side a 16 or 17-inch blade. Lay a soft towel or piece of cardboard on your windshield to protect it from accidental cracks if the wiper arm snaps down. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful, as these arms can snap back. Next, find the small tab or button on the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade down and off the hook on the wiper arm. Repeat this process for both front wipers. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Do this for both the driver's and passenger's sides. After installing both new wiper blades, it's essential to perform a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their movement to ensure they operate smoothly, make full contact with the glass, and provide a clear, streak-free wipe. This confirms proper installation and readiness for any weather. Remember to check the description below for a link to those handy leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.